Now I'm going to show you how to change some text on your website. Text in Joomla are called articles and appear here on the center of the page. If you want to change this text, perhaps to add some more text, an extra paragraph of information for example, you would do the following. Firstly, log into Joomla, and once you've logged in, you then need to go to the Content menu option, followed by the Article Manager. This then brings up a list of all the pages on the website that have got text on them. Now, if I flick back to the website, you'll see that this page is called About Us. So if I click the About Us page, which is the third one down, it will then open the edit window. The edit window is broken down into several areas. You've got the icons here in the top right, which carry out actions on any of the content, for example, saving any changes you've made, applying any changes you've made, previewing them, and so on. Underneath that, the next area is divided into two. You've got the content area, and you've got the parameters area. Most of the time, you don't need to worry about the parameters area, and you can leave that information. In this case, we don't need to look at it at all. On the left hand side here, you've got several different pieces of information. Firstly, the title, which obviously in this case is the About Us page, so it's called About Us. Underneath that, we've got this area that looks a bit like a Microsoft Word window. It's got these little icons that you may recognise. And underneath that, you've got the text area. In our case, we want to put an extra paragraph of text after the two that already exist. If I flick back to the About Us page, you'll see there's just the two paragraphs at the moment. Now, the first thing you'll notice is that the formatting is completely different in here. That's because the formatting is controlled by some of the other fancy workings within Joomla, so you don't need to worry about changing text styles and so on. So if I add an extra paragraph here, I then need to save that using the Save button. And that's it saved. The message confirms that. If we then go back to the page that we've been attempting to edit on the website proper, and then refresh it, you'll notice the extra text now appears.